Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine you're building an AI agent, not just a chatbot, but something that thinks in steps, takes actions, and adapts on the fly. Today, we're diving into a fascinating idea from the paper Agent Script by Shunyu Yao and Salesforce AI Research team, a new way to design structured, controllable AI agents. So what's the problem? Modern LLM agents are powerful but messy. They rely on prompts, hidden reasoning, and unpredictable flows. It's hard to debug, harder to control, and almost impossible to scale reliably. We need structure, something closer to programming, but still flexible like natural language. That's where Agent Script comes in. Think of it like writing a script for your AI, almost like directing a movie. Instead of one big prompt, you define steps. Each step has roles, actions, and expected outputs. The agent follows a clear sequence. Reason, act, observe, repeat. It's modular. You can plug in tools, APIs, or even other agents. And the magic? It separates control logic from language reasoning. So your system becomes predictable yet still intelligent. Now, how do you implement this? You define scripts as structured blocks, almost like functions. Each block controls what the agent sees, what it can do, and how it moves forward. You can build simple pipelines or complex multi-agent systems. Think orchestrators, tool users, even planners. But here's a key pitfall. If your script is too rigid, you lose the flexibility of LLMs. Too loose, and you're back to chaos. Balance is everything. Practical tip. Start small, define clear step boundaries, and log every transition. Debugging becomes so much easier. Another insight, Agent Script makes collaboration possible. Multiple agents, each with defined roles, working together like a team. So, what's the bigger picture? Agent Script is not just a framework, it's a shift toward programmable AI behavior, from black box prompts to transparent, controllable systems. And this opens the door to safer, scalable, production-grade AI agents. But here's the real question. What happens when these scripted agents start writing and improving their own scripts? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay smart. See you in the next video.